Let's try Jeffree Star Skin. Well, it's finally here. So what is my honest opinion? Hello, beautiful people. This is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. And if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that little subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On this channel, we cover everything from makeup to skincare to travel to fashion to meditation. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So I was really excited to hear Jeffree Star was finally doing skincare. Could not wait for it to come out. So I ordered it. First day it was on the website. What do I think? Well, right now it's only been one day. It came in yesterday. I used it last night and again this morning. So I'm going to just give you my first thoughts. Well, the first thing I tried was this Jeffree Star Make Me Melt Makeup Removing Balm. I was really excited to try this. It is so cute. Look at the container. And it has this nice little magnetic spatula that sticks right to the top so you won't lose it. And that's a way to keep what's inside sanitary. This is nice pink. I only used this once. I used it last night to remove my makeup. One dip, got it all, one try. First thing I'm trying is this Make Me Melt Makeup Removing Balm. And look at the beautiful packaging in this. Here it is. And it has this cute little spatula on the top to keep everything clean. And this is basically today's makeup. It comes out, it's sort of like a paste. It's pretty pink. Let's just put it on. Go to my brows, my eyelids, my lashes. Get all the remnants of mascara. My lips, my neck. It really feels good. Doesn't have much smell to it, just a little bit of a fresh smell. Feels very soft and silky. Now I'm taking my washcloth, washing the rest of it off. It got everything off, no stinging, it feels fine around my eyes. It was the smoothest, silkiest balm I think I've ever felt. I loved it. The makeup came off so easily. It did not burn my eyes. No negative side effects. Loving this. This is instantly one of my very, very favorite products. Let me just go in a little bit as to what's in this, what it says. Jojoba seed oil, raspberry fruit extract, and apple fruit extract. So it's all natural ingredients, no chemicals, nothing harsh. Very gentle, very refreshing cleanser. So that, yeah, definitely thumbs up. Then the next thing I tried was this cleanser. This is the Jeffree Star Skin Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. And this comes in a nice little plastic tube. Everything is pretty pink like Jeffree Star's cars. Some of the ingredients in this cleanser. Niacinamide 1%. This is blemish care, reduces discoloration, rebalances uneven skin tone. It's something in a lot of the serums I use. Very, very beneficial ingredient to skins of all ages. Also, snow mushroom. I'd never really heard of that as a skincare ingredient, but it apparently improves skin softness with powerful hydration. Whatever it does, this made my skin feel incredibly soft. Glycolic and lactic acid, that's the best soothing exfoliant, gentle exfoliant that you can use every day. It's not harsh. There's nothing grainy in this, nothing stinging, but it is a gentle way to get rid of dead skin cells and, complete the cleansing process. And the other thing, white willow bark. That's a natural alternative for salicylic acid and reduces redness and alleviates irritation. Okay, those are the ingredients. I loved it. I used it last night after removing my makeup. This morning I put just a tiny little dot with water to just cleanse my face after waking up. And it's great. Just a tiny bit of a strawberry smell, but nothing overwhelming, nothing that's going to make you gag or anything like that. Very, very gentle. So far, loving it. And the third thing, the Jeffree Star Skin Strawberry Water Facial Toner. And this I used after the cleanser, before my moisturizer last night, and before my makeup this morning. And in this, ingredients: strawberry water, niacinamide, and witch hazel, which is an antibacterial ingredient. A great way of just keeping the skin clean and fresh. Loving this as well. Let me bring up the creme de la creme, the Jeffree Skin Moisturizer. I mean, is this packaging not the most fabulous you've ever seen? It looks like something that would be $300 at Neiman Marcus, quite frankly. This is the Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. Inside, actually some of it came out on the lid, but it's just very, very creamy, rich, no really discernible odor, very, very light hint of strawberry, but nothing overwhelming. It's very reasonably priced. I got it as part of the package, but I think individually, I think it might have been $28 or something. Very inexpensive and incredible. Let me look. This is the main box it came in. So I'm going to just go with ingredients in that. Again, niacinamide, squalene, which is a gentle moisturizer that helps reduce lines, apple extract, which increases hydration, red algae, supposedly sculpts and reshapes, and rainbow algae. Of course, Jeffree would want something rainbow, but that brightens uneven skin tone by reducing dark spots. Okay, I haven't used it long enough to really tell whether it has any long-term effect on my skin, but just the way it made it feel. I put it on after washing my face. I put another little hint at bedtime, and then another little touch of it this morning before putting on my makeup. I'm loving this. I think primarily it's going to be more of a night cream than a day cream for me, because it doesn't have a sunscreen in it. That's the one thing I had to do after using all the skincare this morning, is put on a little bit of sunscreen. But I think this is just my favorite thing, if only for the beautiful packaging. I think this deserves a place of honor on my dressing table. And this, another thing I was really looking forward to trying, the Morning Dew Hydrating Eye Cream. This, you notice it has this little applicator. It comes out very easily. You just really have to put one dot under each eye and rub it in. With this little applicator, touching it to the skin, it's very like a cooling, refreshing effect. Loving it. Again, I haven't used it enough to tell whether it's really improving the area under my eye. Check the box for ingredients. Instant Sil, anti-wrinkle and lifting. Barpool, firms and moisturizes. Red algae, redefines and sculpts eye contour. Vitamin C, brightens complexion, reduces sunspots. And caffeine, which reduces puffiness. I have been using a caffeine supplement. A lot of these other ingredients, and of course vitamin C I've been using. A lot of these other ingredients, I'm really interested in seeing how they all work together. So this one I'm going to be using twice a day for a while, and just see if I notice any improvement in the skin under my eye. But loving this so far as well. And the final two items were items I originally wasn't really planning on buying, but when I added up the other 5, and then I would have to pay shipping, it was almost as much as getting the entire set, and you get a discount for getting the entire set, plus you get free shipping. So I went ahead and got everything. So this is the Repair and Revive Lip Mask, and I used that last night and again this morning, and I love it. I've used some similar ingredients when I got from a Korean beauty place that I've loved, and this seemed very similar to that in terms of the way it made my lips feel, but it just made my lips feel so soft. And putting on before makeup, it made the makeup go on smoother. I'm wearing Jeffree Star lip products today, but any lip products, I think it makes the makeup go on smoother. Everything, of course, is vegan and cruelty-free. Just amazing. And then this, the Glow Face Mist. I don't use a face mist that much. I tend to use a finishing spray, but I tried this yesterday before doing the moisturizer, and then I tried it this morning before doing my makeup, and I really like the feel of this on my skin. So I am glad I bought this, and I put it on, like I said, before makeup, and I put it on last night. I'm going to try putting just a little bit on after makeup. I did not put on another finishing spray. Okay, it feels good. So yeah, I'm glad I bought everything. I'm really going to enjoy using it all. Just sort of experimenting over the next month and notice if there's any difference in my skin. Do I like it better at morning or night? I think probably more at night. But yeah, so far, definite thumbs up. Good on you, Jeffree. You did an amazing job with this. A few things, just going off the top of my head, I was kind of expecting maybe a serum. While this doesn't have a serum, a lot of the ingredients I look for in a good serum are in these other items. Like in the cleanser, in the toner, they all have the niacinamide, the different vitamin C properties. So I don't know whether I will actually need a serum if I use all of this. I may still put a little bit of like a Gyroline under my eyes, possibly, maybe do a serum in the morning and do this full moisture treatment at night. I don't know. I'm just going to see how it works, experiment using different methods of using this. But I know I'm going to use it a lot. I know I'm going to love it. So that's the video for today. If you enjoyed this, could you please give me a thumbs up? Also, let me know if you've tried Jeffree Star Skin, what you think, or if there's another skincare product that's your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.